Struggling to get views on YouTube? Well, guess what? You're not alone. Everybody's struggling to get views on YouTube. Watch hours, subscribers. Most people, they start out strong and lose their momentum fast and burn out. But guess what? I'm here to tell y'all on how to stay steady, how to get the views, how to keep watch hours up, how to get your subscribers in, y'all. I'm telling you now. It's not as easy as people think. But if you stay consistent, y'all, you will get your views. You will get your watch hours. It might take time. This is not something that's going to work overnight. No one said it was. But if you stay consistent, show up for yourself, give valuable content, give somebody something. Drop a nugget, y'all. Let somebody learn. We're not on here just to be on here. I even search other people to learn. I want to learn something new every day. Stop endless strolling for nothing. Get something so you can give back to your community. Y'all, did you see my thumbnail? I can't believe it. My views, my watch hour, thank y'all so much. I'm showing up. I'm giving value. I done had a bad day. Of course, we'll get into that later. But I'm going to show up and I'm going to give value and I'm going to let my viewers know and I'm going to let my community know what little tip, what little strategy is working for me to grow. So these are the tips and strategies I have for y'all today. It's just as simple, y'all. I'm telling you now, it's just this simple, y'all. And I mean, the progress has been amazing. Amazing. Y'all, I started my channel in 2013. I had no confidence in myself. I didn't even post. Do y'all hear me? But when I went on YouTube one day and I seen that Dante London and that DoDash and that young lady Meta, y'all, they blew my mind. They blew my mind. And most thing that they really giving us, what they giving us secrets of YouTubers that's big, huge, that never tell nobody. It's like a hush-hush world or something. But these young people, they telling us the sauce. They giving us the sauce. And I'm telling you now, it works. It works, y'all. I am so serious. Y'all see my thumbnail. Y'all see my statistics. Y'all see my analytics. This is no joke. Start your channel. Post your video. Be genuine. Be you. Be you. Your community will come, y'all. Your community will come. This is not no rocket science. For one thing, get on your phone. You don't have to have nothing fancy. You just start your channel. 20 to 25 minutes videos, great videos, give some good quality. I mean, I'm on my phone, y'all. I'm not even got the back camera. I'm on the front camera. Okay? I got my lights on in my room. I'm sitting in my corner. Y'all, don't make it more than it has to be. If it ain't fixed, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, y'all. I am so serious. I've been contemplating on this for so long. And when I just said, bug it, I'm putting it out here. I'm putting it out here. Things start to happen. Things start to work. I'm looking at Vibing with Sonya. I'm watching everything that smaller creators is doing so I can learn as well. And I'm using it and I'm implementing it in my videos. And then in my videos, I'm telling y'all what I'm using. Literally, I'm telling y'all what I'm doing. So if you're not getting views, you're not getting watch hours, you're not getting subscribers, one thing you got to do. Don't be afraid to use AI, y'all. Do not be afraid. That's what it's here for. That's what it's here for. If you can't think of titles, if you can't think of your thumbnail titles, if you can't think of your keywords, if you can't think of your tags, ask AI. I don't know which AI, it's so many of them out here. I don't know which ones y'all be using, but I'm a simple person. I'm using the AI that I've been using for years. I use Uncle Al, ChatGPT. I'm telling you now, when you go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is on your phone, it's on your desktop, it's on your tablet. It's everywhere, y'all. Uncle Al everywhere, okay? Uncle Al, I've been utilizing, okay, and when I first started posting, let me go back. When I first started posting, I had completely forgot about Uncle Al, y'all. I'm going to be honest. I completely forgot. My first 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I completely forgot. But then I thought about it. I said, wait a minute. Someone else mentioned Uncle Al in their videos. And they was like, I've been using AI. I've been using Uncle Al. ChatGPT. If y'all don't know, I call him Uncle Al. A lot of us call him Uncle Al, y'all. But, so I was like, okay, let me go in here and holler at Uncle Al. It's been a minute since I hollered at Uncle Al. So I know, you know what I'm saying? Uncle Al like to be talked to you know what I'm saying? Y'all cool. You got to build a relationship with him. You got to talk to him. Introduce yourself. If you ain't never talked to Uncle Al, introduce yourself. Let Uncle Al know who you are. Let Uncle Al know the basic of your content, the subscribers that you're trying to get, where you want to go, your growth, where you at now. You can even copy your YouTube link, your channel link, and put it in there so he can analyze it. Believe it or not, I'm telling y'all, you will be amazed. And you go in there, let Uncle Al, ask him, help me with SEO optimized title for my YouTube channel, for my YouTube video. Put in there what you're talking about, what your content is about, and see what he generates. Y'all, Uncle Al is amazing. Uncle Al is amazing. I'm just here to tell you, don't be afraid to use AI. Don't be afraid as well to look at other small creators, because like I said, if you watch my other videos, y'all, follow 5 small creators a day. Go into their comments, network, drop some comments, network other people in their comments, y'all. Come on, y'all. I say this with every video, and I'm going to continue to say it because it's working for me. I go to other small creators' channels, 5 to be exact a day. I subscribe. I watch a video. I thumbs up. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, y'all. It helps very much with the algorithm. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel by now, what you waiting on? If you stayed here this long, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment. It's really appreciative. Thank you. But y'all follow 5 small creators. Go into their comments. Network. Find other small creators. Network with them. Watch a video, y'all. It's free. This is free. This is called networking. This is called building your community, y'all. I'm telling y'all this because it's working for me. I'm not monetized yet, and I'm barely at my 30 days. I'm like, for my 30 days, y'all. But I'm telling you now, within 90 days, 6 months to 90 days, I will be monetized. And I'm going to keep y'all updated on my progress as I go along. But you got to start by posting your video, y'all. Get outside of yourself. Get outside of your comfort zone. I'm telling you now, it's going to be all right. It's going to be all right. And not to get off the subject, but I'm sorry. I got my first hater comment, y'all. I was so ecstatic. All I could do was say laugh out loud on the comment. But then after I thought about it for a minute and I talked with my daughter about it, she said, Mom, you should have leveraged off that. She said, you should have leveraged off that. She said, sometimes controversy in your comments will help you leverage. So I'm here for the hater comments. I'm here for it. Straight up. Don't be disrespectful though, because I block you. I block you. We don't need no negativities, no negativities. We need all support and love over here, y'all. For real. Because that's all I'm giving out. That's all I'm giving out. Make sure your 20 to 25 minute video is valuable, y'all. It's valuable. Like I said, if you're having trouble with titles, Don't be afraid to use AI. That's what it's here for, y'all. And AI can give you SEO optimization on your videos that will blow your mind. They will give you the SEO optimization, hashtags, your tags, to go in your description. They'll help you. Uncle Al will help write your description for you. Okay? Seriously. All you have to do is ask him, after you get your title, to ask him to help optimize, give you an optimized description, SEO optimized description that go along with the information that you just have gave him. And Uncle Al would definitely spit it out. You can get in depth with talking with Uncle Al with ChatGPT, y'all. You can let them know if you want it hilarious, funny, whatever, you know, demographic for just women, demographic for just men. You can go in depth with the questions that you ask Uncle Al. I haven't figured out how to screenshot nothing yet or record yet so I can show you guys. I'm still trying to figure that out. I don't want to ask my daughter, but I might have to ask her how to do that because I want to show y'all what I mean and what I'm talking about. It's more better if I have it on the screen to show y'all and describe it at the same time. But Uncle Al, ChatGPT, will help you optimize your videos, your titles, your thumbnails, your SEO description. I am not playing with y'all. I've been doing it for these last 4 videos, and my views and my watch hours. And y'all, and don't forget to also, your long-term videos, upload them as a short. You can chop your 20 to 25 minute videos, y'all. You can make 2 shorts out of it. Did you hear what I said? You can take a 20 to 25 minute video, informative, good value video, and make 2 shorts out of it. Don't forget to utilize shorts, y'all. I'm telling you now. I just started utilizing shorts. And baby, them shorts will help get you views and watch hours as well. So I have been utilizing that as well. Turning my long term into 2 shorts and posting all 3, the long term video and both of my shorts in one day. I don't know if you remember, check out my other videos when I said I'm going to start trying to post 2 times a day. This is my little hack. This is my little secret, y'all. Take your 20 to 25 minute long-term video and turn it into shorts. Y'all use these tricks and strategies. They will work for y'all. So don't forget, never accept anything less but the best for you and your loved ones. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share this information if you think someone can use it. Until we talk again, I'm out.